Hello there, beautiful one. I'm Faith Hunter, and today we're going to embark on a journey of gratitude, embracing the present moment and the abundance that is within you. I'm going to encourage you to find a comfortable place to sit, or know that you can also rest on your back. Once you're comfortable, begin to close your eyes or gently cast them down lightly. Let's start first by grounding ourselves. So I want you to feel the earth beneath you, supporting and nurturing all that you are. As you feel the earth, begin to breathe gently in and out of your nose. And as you do, fill the lungs with life-giving air. As you exhale, releasing any tension, any stress, any worry. And just allow that to flow for a moment. Allow your breath to move in and out, and know within each breath, I'm inviting you to feel a little more relaxed and a little more centered. Bring your attention to the center of your chest, your heart center, your heart chakra, that place of love, compassion, and understanding. And in that place, I want you to begin to visualize a warm, glowing light. This light is radiating love and peace. Within that glowing light, think of 3 things. Feel 3 things that you are grateful for today. Doesn't have to be extravagant, it can be simple. A loving friend, your family pet, nature, or your own existence. And let these 3 things move into your heart as it radiates this glowing light. Let this gratitude fill your heart with joy. Now begin to shift your focus to your body. Yes, I want you to thank yourself for your body, honoring the soles of your feet that walk upon the earth, your toes, move into your legs, your hips, your spine, covering every inch of you, from your fingers to the crown of your head. Expressing gratitude for you. And I invite you to feel this deep sense of appreciation for your existence. Not judging, but just simply giving thanks for you. As you sit in this place of deep gratitude, I'm going to invite you to repeat some affirmations after me. I am grateful for this precious moment. I am grateful for this precious moment. I welcome abundance and love into my life. I welcome abundance and love into my life. My heart is filled with love. My heart is filled with love. Take the next moment to breathe gently in and out of your nose as you feel the essence of love wash over you, the warm light seeping into every inch of your body, and know that you are important. And continue to allow yourself to be enveloped with the essence of gratitude. Allow these words, allow your thoughts to penetrate your heart, and may gratitude move beautifully through your soul. Slowly begin to take a deep breath in. Gently exhale. Start to bring organic movement back into your body as the eyes slowly open. I encourage you to carry this sense of gratitude with you throughout your day. May it warm your heart and support you in staying grounded in the moment. Thank you so much for joining me. Again, my name is Faith Hunter. Take care. Ciao.